What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. If this is your first time, welcome to Po Boy's Diesel. I'm Po Boy, and let's get started. Hey guys, just a quick reminder, all of our decals are now available at our website, www.poboysdiesel.com. Make sure you cop some for you. They are looking mighty fresh. Check that one out right there. It's rolled back here. And look at that, 11 by 4. Awesome stuff, man. And we have a couple others available, so make sure you guys check it out. As you guys know, last time we were working and we separated the mold for the bedside, and today we're actually going to start preparing the driver's side door to make the mold on that. So right now we got our basically set up on top here. The reason I have it here is obviously, you know, lack of space on either side. So I'm going to be working over here due to the fact that it looks a little cloudy out there, or else I would have just brought her out and worked on it there. But hey, it is what it is. We work with what we got. What do you guys say? Should we get started? I thought so. Let's get right to it. So let me give you guys a small explanation of what we'll be doing, things we basically need to remove. And one of those is going to be the hinges for the doors. We're going to remove those. We also got to remove the handle, as well as the cable, the locking mechanism with the striker. And over on the other side of the door, we'll be removing the door handle itself. So that way we could basically fill that area in and shave it off, completely blanked out as if it was never there. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this bad boy, and hopefully we could get some progress done. I am feeling a whole lot better from my cold. Thank you for all you guys who are worried and been sending me, you know, lots of prayers and stuff. I really appreciate it. And well, what can I say? Let's get started. Alright, co-rollers, as you guys were able to see, we went ahead and removed all the door hinges as well as the door handles and locking mechanism here as well as out of here for the striker. Everything is out, everything is set. We went ahead and ground down all the thin striping as well as where this looks a little dirty, but as well as where the bracket used to be, right down here. Everything got grounded down, everything looks good. So yeah, I guess now it's time to give this bad puppy a little cleaning, so that way she's prepped for the next phase. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good, so let's continue with the project. See you in a bit.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and let the door dry on the outer part of it. I actually helped it to dry faster. And while we were waiting, I went ahead and I placed some foam from within inside the door to fill in the big holes, you know, the big areas like that, or over here by the mirror area. And now we're gonna go ahead and do some body filler just to make sure that this is all nice and smooth on the big holes there, as well as we're gonna delete this area here. This is actually where the handle goes to open the door. So this here will just fill it also with a little bit of styrofoam, so that way we don't use too much material when it comes to the body filler and stuff like that. And then, you know, whenever that dries up and sets, we'll try to sand it down and make it nice and smooth. Once that's smooth, we'll continue with the next process. So yeah, let's get to it.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my...
So I'll see you guys inside in a little bit. All right, co-rollers, so we're back inside, feeling fresh, all cleaned up. As you guys were able to see, we went and got started on the door. We removed all the hinges, we removed the door handle, we removed the mirrors, the locking mechanism, and everything. We basically stripped out the door. What we did leave was the glass on it, okay? And that's gonna help us when it comes to doing the mold, because you wanna have an area where you'll be able to, you know, attach the Lexan if you're gonna go that way. But yeah, we did leave the glass in it, and then we started, you know, grinding off all the imperfections, as well as getting out all the pinstriping and that strip on the bottom, all the glue that comes with it. We removed all that with the grinder. Then we went and started doing some body filling. And yeah, we got quite a bit done. We went ahead and sanded down some of the body filler. There is still a little bit more that we have to continue doing on her. However, you know, we did have some prior arrangements for today, and we want to make sure we're, you know, responsible with that. So we're going to cut it there for today. I hope you guys are stoked with the progress of the build. I know you guys have been asking, and you know, after last video's comment at the end, you know, I did say that we might be taking the build to a different level, and yeah, I think that news I'm going to be revealing for the next video. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you watch every Tuesday. That's when we post. And yeah, also a reminder, if you did see the let the coal roll decal on the video, make sure you go ahead and comment below, because the first one to comment at what moment the decal appears and where they see it and has the correct answer, well, guess what? I'll be sending you a free special edition decal that says let the coal roll, like the one you found on the video. Those are not available for sale. Those are actually a special edition that we did for this sole purpose. That way we could do this little scavenger hunt, so you guys have fun while watching the videos, and you know, get a little decal from here and there, you know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm really stoked with the progress. I love you guys, and let the coal roll.